Hi dear children, good morning. It's me, your Padmavati teacher. How are you students? Hope you all are doing good. I'm also good children. Anyhow children, welcome back to computer online classes. Children, in the last week you all are busy with your first term exams. I hope you have received your marks also. Children, many of the students have done a very good performance and you have got good marks also. I would like to congratulate you all those who have got good marks. Still students, a very few students, they did not get good marks and they are not at all paying the interest. So students, please try to listen to your parents, sit along with your parents, try to watch the videos every day regularly. At the same time, you try to complete your notes as well as please read the textbook every day. Okay children? Okay children, in today's class I am going to start 4th chapter, Fun with Windows. Okay, so this is a new chapter. Today I am going to start. So in this chapter we have got 7 contents. Among these 7 contents, today I will try to complete 3 contents, the first 3 contents. Okay children? Okay, let us go to today's class.
Welcome to presentation.
Chapter 4, Part 1, Fun with Windows. Children, as I already told you, in this chapter we have got 7 contents. Changing your desktop wallpaper background, changing your screensaver, changing the mouse pointer, fun with gadgets, Windows accessories, playing games in Windows, working with files and folders. So these are the 7 contents we have in this chapter. In today's class, we'll discuss the first 3 contents. Okay children? Okay, let us go to today's class. Okay children, in this chapter Fun with Windows, we will learn many more things like how to change the wallpaper and screensaver and also how to add gadgets and all. Okay, before going to learn all these things, first of all, we will have a small introduction about Windows operating system. Okay children. The Windows operating system, it was developed by Microsoft Corporation. Children, this operating system was developed by Microsoft Corporation. It is a US based company, children. Okay, so it is the most popular operating system today because it is very user friendly and it is updated regularly. Children, this operating system is very user friendly. Why we are calling it as a user friendly operating system means this operating system anybody can operate without any guidance or without any assistance. You are understanding children? Just by clicking the icons automatically you can use the programs whatever you want. So without any guidance or without any assistance you can operate very easily. That's why we will call it as a user friendly operating system. One more reason is also there why we are calling it as a user friendly operating system. That is nothing but Windows is a graphical user interface system. Windows is a graphical user interface system. Very, very important point, children. So, Windows is a graphical user interface system in which we interact with the computer by using windows, icons and menus. Children, with the help of the icons and menus, we can interact with the system or we can interact with the operating system. See here, you can see the icons on the desktop like My Computer Recycle Bin. You might have seen, isn't it children? There you can see one small diagram also. That is what we call graphical representation or pictorial representation. You can also call it as a pictorial representation or graphical representation. So these because of this representation, anyone can easily operate this operating system. That's why we'll call it as a user-friendly operating system. I think now it is clear for you. So Windows is a graphical user interface. G for graphical, U for user and I for interface. Graphical user interface. So with the help of these icons and menus, we can operate this operating system very easily. So you have to remember here 2 points. Windows operating system is a user-friendly operating system as well as it is a graphical user interface system. Another point also you have to remember, like it was developed by Microsoft Corporation, which is a US based company. Okay children, so these are the main 3 points about Windows operating system. So here in this textbook we are following Windows 7 operating system. Clear children? Okay, let us see how to change the wallpaper, screensaver and all. Okay. Changing your desktop wallpaper. So how to change the wallpaper background? Okay children. Children, you can give your desktop a new look by changing its wallpaper. Okay children. Now we will see the steps how to change the wallpaper. First of all, you right click an empty area on the desktop to get a desktop menu. See here children, right click. Afterwards you can see this menu. So in this menu, what you have to do, second point, select personalize. See this option, personalize. This option you have to select like this. Click. Whenever you are clicking that personalize option, you can see this personalization window. Okay children, in this window, select a theme from the Aereo themes given. See here, we have got so many options. So themes we have, so this option we have to select. Whenever you are clicking this themes option, you can see different types of wallpapers like this. Okay children. Now I'm selecting this first wallpaper, Acer. Okay, selected. So as soon as you selected, your desktop has a new background like this. So like this you can change the wallpaper. Background wallpaper. Background you can also call it as a background or a desktop wallpaper. Children, I think many of you know how to change this wallpaper, but even though you try once again. Okay children. Next topic, changing your screensaver. When you leave your computer for some time without working on it, you will see some animated images appearing on the screen. This is a software program called the screensaver. Children, you might have observed whenever you have stopped working on the computer for some time, you can see some animated images appearing on the screen. So these images, we will call it as screensaver. Okay children? You can have photographs stored in your computer appear as a screensaver. But the thing is, you have to follow 5 steps. Let us see the steps how to select the screensaver. Okay children, first step. Right click on the desktop to get the shortcut menu. Right click. So you can see one menu. Among this, you have to select the personalize option. Select personalize. Step 2. You have to select personalize. Selected. As soon as we select that option, we will go into personalization window. The window will look like this children. Okay children, if you are using Windows 7 operating system, you can see the icon like select the screensaver icon. Screensaver icon you can see on the Windows. Children, you please look at your textbook. Step 3, you just see the step 3, select the screensaver icon. The icon will look like that. You can select, that means you can click upon that icon. As soon as you are clicking upon that icon, you can enter inside the screensaver settings window. Okay children, here I am using Windows 10. Windows 10 operating system. So what I have to do is either I have to type here the screensaver or else I can go to lock screen. Here I am going to lock screen. So whenever I am going to lock screen, I can see one option screensaver settings over here. Okay children, we can see one screensaver setting. Just click that. Okay, you can see one window like this, one small window, screensaver settings window you can see. Step 4, select photos from the drop down menu. See here you can see one drop down menu. From this you can select ribbons, photos, mystify, bubbles, blank, 3D text. Any option you can select as a screensaver. Okay children, if you are selecting bubbles, Let us see how it will look like. See the preview. Okay, children. We will select one more option, ribbons. Look the preview. See, very beautiful, no? We will choose another option like Mystify. See the preview. If you want, you can select 3D text. You can see the preview. Or else you can select photos. If you are selecting the photos, you can see the photos, whatever you stored inside the computer, like this, one by one. Okay, children? So, likewise, we can select any one of the screensaver option and we can click OK. Here I am selecting 3D text option and the step 5 is click OK. Now my job is over. That means I have selected the screensaver. So children, your photos will appear as the screensaver. You can also choose screensavers like bubbles or ribbons from the drop down menu. Just now only I explained you how to select the screensaver. Okay children, clear? Children, every one of you know how to select a screensaver, but the thing is, you try once again. Okay children? Changing the mouse pointer. Children, if you would like to change your mouse pointer, we have to follow 4 steps. Let us see one by one. The first step, right click on the desktop. Right click on the desktop. Step 2, select personalize from the desktop menu. So among this you have to select personalize option from this menu so that you can see this window, personalization window. Next, third step, click change mouse pointers from control panel home. See children, in control panel you will be having an option change mouse pointers. There you can click. If it is a Windows 7 operating system, you will be having change mouse pointers in control panel. Okay children, here also I can show you in this operating system also. I have to type here control panel. Okay, so you can see the control panel like this. In this you have to select hardware and sounds. So in this again you have to go to mouse options. Okay, mouse options you have to go. In devices and printers you have mouse option. Just click. Whenever you are clicking mouse options, you can see the option. In buttons, pointers, pointer options, hardware. So you choose pointers. Whenever you are choosing the pointers, you can see customize. So in this customize, you can see different types of mouse pointers. Normal select, help select, working in background, busy cursor, precision select. Likewise, we have got so many mouse pointer options. Okay children, after choosing this, you have to click OK. So that is the fourth point. Customize your mouse pointer by choosing from the given options. Any one of the option you can select and click OK. If you are using Windows 10 operating system, children, directly you can go to themes and you can see some of the options over here. You can see one option, mouse cursor. Just click mouse cursor. You can see mouse properties window. So here you can select mouse pointers, different types of mouse pointers under customize. Okay children, afterwards you have to click OK. So likewise you have to select the mouse pointers. Clear children? Okay. Bits and bytes. Children, the first version of Windows was Windows 1.0, released in November 1985. The first version of Windows was Windows 1.0, released in November 1985. Now we are discussing Windows 7. Okay children, likewise we have got many more versions in Windows. From one version to another version, they used to add different functionalities. Okay children, clear? Okay children, let us summarize today's class. In today's class we discussed Windows is a user-friendly operating system, and also we discussed Windows is a graphical user interface. Okay children. Another point we also discussed, we can change the wallpaper and screensaver of the desktop. One more point also we learned, to change the mouse pointer. Okay children, these are the points today we learned. Children, you please open your textbooks and read the contents whatever we discussed. Okay children, to next class I am going to ask you some questions related to these topics. Afterwards only I will start the class. Okay children, okay, prepare well. Okay children, that's all for today's class. We will meet in the next class. Till then, bye and take care.